Just like how a tornado, let's say a tornado hits a junkyard, right? It would never create a Ferrari. Likewise, time and chance do not create life or order. And because evolutionists believes so hard-heartedly about evolution, just like in it's the consequences of that. Romans 1:20-22 says, "For the invisible things of him from the creation of the world are clearly seen, professing themselves to be wise, they became fools." All these evolution evolutionists, scientists say they're the right, very wise. Like Neil Armstrong, people say he's so wise, but like in the Bible says, he's a fool.